Baby won't stop crying? Decode the real reason and calm them fast. Find out the real reason. Because when your baby cries, and nothing seems to work, it's more than just noise. It's their only way of speaking to you. But what if I told you there's a way to decode those cries, and finally know what your baby is trying to say? You fed them. Changed them. Burped them. Swaddled them. Yet they're still crying. You're exhausted, your arms ache, and you've Googled every reason under the sun: gas, hunger, overstimulation, and still, nothing helps. Every new mom hits that breaking point, wondering, am I doing something wrong? But the truth is, your baby's not broken, you just need the right code to understand their cues. That's why I created Cry Code, a new parent's guide to why babies cry, and what actually works, a simple, research-backed guide that helps you recognize exactly why your baby is crying and what to do next. Inside, you'll find a quick diagnostic flowchart to help you identify what your baby's cry really means, whether it's hunger, gas, tiredness, or something more. You'll also learn soothing hacks that actually work, and the red flags that mean it's time to call your pediatrician. Use the link below to get your copy. It's like having a baby whisperer in your pocket, except this time, the answers are right in front of you.